Hello, here to say something about this little mod I got just the other day. I'll let you know, guys, I've been using it for a couple days, and it is the transformer from Wellon. Nice little box. You can see it's got their symbols on around sides. Well, inside got our mod and this tank that comes with it. This tank's cool as hell, man. See, I always like to use things for a little bit before I tell you about them, so I know. This is the little box that came in. Inside's got your instructions. Tells you all about it. About the tank, how you fill it. Unscrewed up top. Easy fill. And off the screen. Okay. Now for that, inside here as well comes with USB cord, extra glass, some O-rings. This is the tank. Now check this out. There you can see where it says transformer. And kind of hidden, it's inside here where I've tightened it, but you know, it tells you the coil, what size, wattage, and everything. There's you got their symbol. It says Wellon. Okay, the coil. Might get a little juice around, but screw it in the middle. Coil is down inside of it. So this tank. Now I guess they think this glass has got metal around it, so they don't expect that one to break. So they only give you one spare glass. It comes with 2 coils, and I'll tell you about that a little bit more in just a minute. What I found out about it. Of course, you know I got juice everywhere, a little bit, because I had juice in it. I've been vaping it and been using it. I kind of like it, I'll tell you that. Here's the mod itself. Your power ups, power down button. It took me a minute to figure out the battery door itself too. There's something else to say that about this thing, because this is just smooth looking. Right there. I got a brownie in there. Top of it, 510. It's got this cool web design. It's pretty neat. Okay. And to fill it, I've already got it full, so but I'll show you. And just unscrew the top, and it's got juice wells. And I'll pour some juice out for you. It's good juice. This is what I'm vaping, guys. Strawberry watermelon. And my other favorite, of course, is the strawberry banana. Back to the transformer. Wellon. I can run it put at 35 watts for this one. When you push it, it'll ask you new or old. I'll always put new. Yes, it's new, and just so it always, you know, a new coil, sure. Little magnet holds this door on. Pretty neat. Yes, it clouds up rather nicely. And the flavor from this tank, yeah, um, yeah, that's why I like it, because the flavor is just spot on. It's beautiful. I haven't had any leaks, haven't had any issues, except for, I guess, my own stupidity. I'll let you guys tell you guys this. So when you get one of these, when you fill it up, juice goes down into the lower spot here. You can see it a little bit. Okay, and over here it's just plain full. But it just kind of, there's like always a little air pocket there, and it don't always go all the way down into it. This has it for me, but I use an 80/20. Okay, I seen this, it was getting about empty, and so I thought, well, I still got juice down here, so it'll be all right. Oh, don't let it get, just keep this one full. Yeah, because a nasty dry hit. Yeah. But that's the only problem I found with it. Like I said, the flavor from it's delicious. It's a very good mod. I would recommend it to anybody to try. Beginners to intermediate, even the advanced guys, when you just want to, break from the 200 watt mods. That's what I use the vape at, 220 watts. This only goes up to 75 watts. But with the matching tank is with it, it puts out great clouds, good flavor, and it's very well built. It feels nice in the hand. Your perfect grip, and just the mirror finish is nice. I think it comes in black, chrome, and a gold or a brass looking. Yeah, you have to look at their website, Wellon Vapes. They ain't got a Facebook, so check them out. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna go back to vaping and relaxing. Keep your head in the clouds, guys. Check them out.